Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your November forecast, weekly love reading for the month of November. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from these reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will take 4 cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and concentration, 4 cards for your feeling, attention, and concentration, and 2 cards for your mutual energies. Okay, Sagittarius, let's get started. What are the Sagittarius person's feelings towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feelings towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feelings towards Sagittarius? And we are having here the Moon, the World, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. So what are the Sagittarius feelings toward this person? What are the Sagittarius feeling and thinkings toward this person? Chariot, Six of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Page of Swords. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? Hierophant, High Priestess. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Pisces with this Moon, Taurus with this Hierophant, again Pisces with this High Priestess, Cancer with this Chariot, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and Six of Pentacles, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Queen of Wands, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Page of Sword. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling. And your person is in some kind of insecurities, and there is some kind of ending, a natural end, a cycle is ended. And also this person see you like a complete, a completion, a complete home. This person also see you like that. And also this person is complete a cycle with you, and they are this natural end, this cycle give them some kind of insecurities. Whatever ended between both of you, whatever kind of cycle ended between both of you, this give this person insecurities, and this person is in fears. This person is not in clarity. This person is like something is shadow them. They are in shadows, and something is covering them, and that irritating and a little bit not so annoying for this person. And this person is some kind of fears. And with this Queen of Pentacles, this person that I feel from you, this is this person's current situation, this is this person's thinking towards you, and this feel, they get a feel from you like you are paying attention on yourself, you reserve yourself, you are paying, you are nurturing yourself, you are like on yourself. There is some kind of self-love they feel from you. You are valuing yourself, and also you are so real, and this is your reality. Actually, you are not arrogant, you are not like that. This is your reality. You are paying attention on yourself, you are the center of your attention. This person is feeling like that. And also this is this person's attentions towards you, Sagittarius. This person want to offer you love step by step. They want to start a new cycle with you slowly, not rushing into anything. They are using their heart and their mind, their all senses together, and want to work on this new circle or new thing with you, in a stable way, in a sensible way, and there is stability they want to offer with love. They are evolved. Their love for you is a little bit evolved, and there's a next step in this love and in this connection after these insecure, also some kind of insecurities and fears involved in your side. Also you want to move forward to this person, and you want to talk. Feelings are not so deep, feelings are not so deep, but you know that feelings will kick in. But first you need to talk to this person, and you are so supportive, you are so generous, you you are in this Six of Pentacle energy, like you are willing to give. You are making some kind of charity, you are giving to poors, helping them, and you are in this energy in your way to this person. You will uh, in this Six of Pentacle energy, you are so supportive, you are so helping, you are so generous, and also with your generosity you are so attractive. You are this Queen of Wands. You are just Sagittarius. You are, this is your energy. This wand, this Queen of Wands. Wands are this fire is your energy, and you are in your energy. And right now you are in the specific energy that call attraction, beauty, desire, charm. Right now you step into in this energy. You are so charming. You are so attractive right now, and also you are a little bit suspicious and curious toward this person, and you want to know what is in this person's head, what is happening in this person's mind, what new ideas, what new thing, what this person up to. This is what you want to know, a little bit curious toward this person. And attractive, you are entering an attraction and attractive energy, and you feel find yourself as so attractive, eye catch, like in upcoming first week of November. And this person want to offer you commitment. They are as I told you, this person is want to offer you love and stability, and they want something legal, they want to commit with you, and you are a little bit in, you will go on a mystery mode, Sagittarius, after you realize that this person want to offer you commitment and want to offer you a stable long lasting relationship. And then you go on a mystery mood, you go on a high priestess mood. You understand that what is they demanding and what is they offering. You will give some logical opinion on that, and then you become mysterious, like you are in a no comment mood. But I think whatever you're doing is, it's right for you, because you are sensible, not immature, and not in a doing something foolish. If you are in a mystery mood, there is a reason behind this. This is, you can realize with your situation and condition, you will realize that you will doing, because you are so knowledgeable, you are so sensible, you are mature, and you will, whatever you do, why you doing this to this person, it makes sense. Let's see what else we have for you. What else for Sagittarius? What else for Sagittarius? Two of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, and as an outcome, Nine of Wands. Okay, this person is offering you stable, long-lasting commitment, long-lasting relationship, and you are not like you are in a mystery mood. You no comments mood after this proposal, because you're getting a feel from this person. This person is juggling with multiple things, still a lot of things in this person's plate, and you know that this person is dealing with more than, two or more than three people, a lot of things they are trying to balance. They are not in a right balance, and maybe in feeling in flow, they offer you this commitment, and you just go on a mute. You mute yourself, but you know that you gotta feel this is the reason this person is juggling with multiple things. They need to find a right balance and then offer you this thing. And you, after offering when someone offering you love with stability, with with full responsibility, they taking responsibility, they are so sober and responsible, and offer you this thing, but they are still juggling with multiple things, and you feel so stuck. And in this upcoming days, few first days of November, you will feel like you are stuck. Your feelings are stuck, your life is stuck, you are stuck with this person. This is you will feel, and as an outcome, Nine of Wands, and that's, you feel this will compress you. Whatever they're doing to you, this will compress you, and you feel like that you are in a burden, you are in a pressure, and you are carrying this You feel so heavy heart, your heart is so heavy, you in energy of heavy energies you will feel in the few first days of November. These are your cards, and let's see what advice messages I should have for you. What advice messages? Have faith, focus on yourself, love yourself, no need to fix, need to accept, don't give up, Sagittarius. These are few advice messages, and the summary of your reading is this person is insecure, and this person is want to offer you love step by step, and also this person is dealing with multiple things, and after they when you find out their attentions that they want a long lasting relationship with you, and but the thing is that they in practical life they are dealing with multiple things, and you feel like that you are stuck with this person, and this is like a burden on you, compressing you, and you feel that in this upcoming days of November. These are few summary of your reading. Hope this helpful for you. If it helpful for you, you can tell me in comments. Thank you so much for your time and your attention. God bless you, Sagittarius. Bye.